Right now, I'm about to show you guys how to properly rev match downshift in your manual transmission vehicle. So right over here, I have my Shelby Gt350. So I'm going to be hopping up in it and show you guys how to rev match downshift. And I'm going to give you all my tips and tricks for rev match downshifting in a manual transmission vehicle. This is all you're going to need to rev match downshift is your manual transmission. So if you don't know what a rev match downshift is, it's basically a way of downshifting in your manual transmission vehicle without upsetting the balance of the car. If you're in fourth gear, for example, and you go down to third gear, if you let off your clutch without blipping your gas, the car is going to kind of lurch forward. What you're going to want to do to prevent that is when you're in fourth gear, for example, put your clutch in. As you can see, my foot goes down. Clutch in, put it in the third, and at the same time, you're going to hit your gas pedal. You're going to blip it like that, and then slowly let off your clutch. So it's all about being able to match the RPMs in the next gear without upsetting the balance of the car. So for example, what that means is if I'm in fourth gear at 2,000 RPMs and I want to downshift to third gear, that's probably going to be around 3,000 RPMs. So it's about knowing out your car a lot too. So if that's around 3,000 RPMs, I know that I want to put my clutch in, blip the gas up to around 3,500 RPMs and let off for the clutch to be right at 3,000 RPMs on the perfect timing. So it's easy to panic while you're trying to do this and just let go of your clutch really quickly, which please do not do that. Really slowly, just let it out and get used to it. So let's go ahead and hit the road so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Rev match downshifting is used for racing technique. You don't necessarily need it when you're on the streets. However, it does sound very good when you rev match downshift on the street. Okay, so as you can see, we're in fourth gear now, slightly under 2,000 RPMs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit my clutch in, put it in third gear, blip the gas like that, and slowly let off my clutch pedal. So then if you do that all together at the same time, it'll create this nice downshift that will not upset the balance of the vehicle. So the car is in fourth gear now. What we're gonna do is clutch in, blip the gas, other gear, let go of the clutch. All at the same time. So it's, as you can see right there. So I've gotten really good at it now, so it works very smoothly, and I know the car out very well to what RPM perfectly downshift at. So now let me show you guys how it looks from the driver's perspective with your feet. Do it one more time with that pedal cam setup. So now you may be wondering what happens if you don't rev match. I'll do it right here. As you can see, the car kind of lurches forward, and then it builds up to that RPMs. And when you do that, you can't really let off your clutch as quickly as you would with a rev match downshift when you blip the gas. Technique, you want to do it all in one motion. You want to try your best to try to do it all in one motion. At first, you will be going at it pretty slow, and it may be a little bit frustrating at first, but trust me. So just do it whenever you're driving around town. Just remember to slowly let go of your clutch, and this will honestly become muscle memory for you. You won't even have to think when you rev match downshift, honestly. So it also sounds very good. So as you can see, so that's why I love to do it. And if you have a naturally aspirated car, my Shelby Gt350 doesn't have boost or anything like that, your pedal response is a lot faster, which makes it quite a bit easier to rev match downshift. So keep that in mind. If you're in a boosted car, it will be a little bit more difficult to learn. But if you're in an NA car like this, it will be so much easier because that pedal response is instant. So let me know what you guys thought of today's YouTube video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace.